Welcome to I have no idea what's in this box episode here. We picked this up from a random Walmart, so we're gonna see what's inside. I know this is an older box, so hopefully we'll find some awesome packs. Let me know in the comments below there if you opened one of these up when it came out. Oh, that's pretty. It's a pretty cool looking Infernape V. The coloring in it, that's pretty cool. Alright, and we got ourselves Lost Origin, a Lost Origin, and Astral Radiance. Nice. I'm always down for more Astral Radiance. Or not Astral, but Lost Origin. I still need that Giratina, so let's see if this box here is Giratina. Get it. Okay. Everybody else is asleep, so let's see if I have to go wake my wife up. I think that would be worthwhile a night. Then have to rush and go wake her up because we just pulled something massive. Grass. Water. Here's a weeds. And tongue slap. That's look at tongues move, isn't it? Psychic. Not double psychic. Fighting. You're guessing better than I am. Water. Ah, colorless. And double trainer. Water. Hey, there's another trainer. Fighting energy. Jeez Louise, didn't even get a single guess. Fire. Cool little Polytoad. Psychic. Oh, that's a nifty looking Snorlax. I definitely like that. Snorlax Hollow. For all you who will need some Lost Origin card, there you go. Good old KHT. Alright, we're going to save the rest for later, hopefully when I am not alone. Just in case I do pull something amazing. Because I don't really want to get in trouble for waking anybody up. Because that makes for a long day the next day. But so stop in tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow is our tin night. So that'll be fun. Watch our pack battle between my wife and I with, she's still working on her Sylveon tin. So stop in. That'll be fun. Other than that, have a great rest of your evening, lunch, breakfast, dinner, or dessert.